Here are 25 terms related to the Ministry of Interior. Ministry of Interior. Ministry of Interior. Ministry of Interior. Security. 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 Police. 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 Law enforcement. Law enforcement. Law enforcement. Law enforcement. Immigration. 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 Passport. 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 Citizenship. 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 Residence permit. Residence permit. Residence permit. Civil registry. Civil registry. Civil registry. Civil registry. Civil registry. Emergency services. Emergency services. Emergency services. Emergency services. Public safety. Public safety. Public safety. Public safety. Traffic control. Traffic control. Traffic control. Traffic control. Crisis management. Crisis management. Crisis management. Security clearance. Security clearance. Security clearance. Counterterrorism. 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 Surveillance. 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 Border control. Border control. Border control. Crime prevention. Crime prevention. Crime prevention. Crime prevention. National security. National security. National security. National security. Prison. 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 Judicial affairs. Judicial affairs. Judicial affairs. Public order. Public order. Public order. Emergency response. Emergency response. Emergency response. Emergency response. Intelligence. 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 Legal affairs. Legal affairs. Legal affairs.